After joining to K21, I recently got a job at University of Wisconsin as an AI engineer.
I must say that they have a really highly qualified and dedicated trainers. As soon as I have finished my course, I got a job.
To my greatest surprise, I got a call. Oh, hi, are you Wellington? Okay, I would like to have a discussion with you. And we're about 156 that applied for the role, and it was just one position. I was waiting to get back from them. And about 2 weeks later, I got back from them. I was like, wow, this is wonderful.
The first major goal was job hunting, but the first training was really good. I strictly follow whatever has been told. And 3 months time, I'm here with the first offer.
I've had very little idea. And my journey of AI/ML started with K21. And K21 has a great set of labs that I did diligently.
I saw that a lot of people graduated from K21 Academy and they got a full-time offer. If I couldn't join a K21 Academy, I will never have this offer right now. I'm very happy.
And I was again following the approach that K21 had, where take the job description, make your resume appropriate as per that, and keep applying. So I kept doing that, and eventually I got the result.
I would highly recommend K21. Actually, I did. A few of my colleagues in LinkedIn asking me that, hey, how did you clear this exam? I said,
very impressive teaching, very impressive support, and looking forward to, creating my resume, doing my exams, and getting the job.
My certification, everything. I want to say thank you from here also. I really appreciate the Atul, how he's motivating people to learn the things, grow yourself. It's really good. There is nothing to be negative.
Clearing the doubts is something which helped me to get this role. K21 was, I found it, and I kind of got to know more about Atul and the team.
I scheduled the AWS Solutions Architect Associate test and took it, and I gotta tell you, and then of course the next morning I got an email that said, hey, you passed. So
one of my friend recommended that K21 Academy is very good, and
can do a self-study and with the labs that are available, so it really helped. So I was able to get over that.
After joining the course, after a few weeks later, I got the job also. Currently, I am working in one of the government industry in Singapore.
The one thing that stood out for me with K21 was the support that would be provided even after getting the job, just so that I could find a footing in the industry was a big appeal. And the resume building sessions are all really helpful.